Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my e.l.f. order just came in and I thought I would show you what I got. The first thing I picked up, I'm the most excited about this, is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise 18-piece eyeshadow palette. It is a little broken, like very minimally broken. On this shade over here, there's like a small scratch, and then this shade down here called Nightlife, the corner of it is broken and it's the dark shade, so a little bit of that shade has kind of been scattered, I think, throughout the palette, which is okay. Like, I'm not too picky on that kind of stuff. So the next thing I have here is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Sponge Trio. I've never tried any e.l.f. sponges before, so I'm excited to see how these work, see how they feel. Next thing I picked up is two of these matte oil control masks. They have Calvin Clay and Tea Tree in them. I picked up one for me and my mom. I was just curious to see how they work. I'm excited to try this out. I haven't been using a lot of e.l.f. skincare. I think the only skincare I've tried is their cleanser from their Supers collection, so I'm excited to see how this mask works. I also picked up two more things from the e.l.f. Plus Matte collection. So these are two blotting powders, again, one for me and one for my mom. They're just basic blotting powders. I'm curious. Think it over how cute the packaging is. So here's what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Like, it's just so compact and it fits in your hand. So it's great for on the go. So when I open it, there's like a small, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's like a small fleck of like, what is that? Yeah, it's probably cardboard or fluff like that, but this has been untouched and the packaging is super cute. This is really pretty. I'm excited to use these. Also, please excuse my dry hands. You guys know how it is. It's a weird time, 2020, but I think I'm gonna like this a lot. So I got one for me and one for my mom. Next thing I have here, e.l.f. Beautifully Precise Precision Multi-Blender Massager. So it's just a brush from e.l.f. I think if you spend $25 on their website, you get to pick 2 free gifts. So I picked this one up. And here we have this e.l.f. Say Bye to Dry hand cream. This is also another free gift. I'm pretty sure they also just started selling it too, so it's really cool that I got this. So I'm excited to see what it smells like and if it works. Again, this is sealed, so let's see how this hand cream works. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. This packaging is so cute too, by the way. I love that. My skin feels amazing right now. Not getting much of a scent, but it feels great. I also picked up this lip exfoliator in Mint Maniac, and I was really curious about these for a long time. I know they blew up on TikTok a while ago. Cute. I love e.l.f. packaging. It's so simple. Here this is. I also got this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I really like brow pencils because they're really easy to use, and e.l.f.'s is so affordable. I thought, why not try it? This is in the shade Deep Brown, by the way. I also picked up this Calm Balm from their hemp-derived cannabis sativa collection. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but I think they have some good products in it, so I thought I would get this just to see how it would work for my mom. Here is the Calm Balm. It has really pretty, like, shimmery packaging, almost. I love this packaging. e.l.f., honestly, you are killing the game. So here's the balm. I want to see how much product is in it. So quite a bit. I also got their Seriously Satin lipstick in the shade Cider. Clear packaging on the lipstick itself, and then on the outside, it's just so pretty. So here's this lipstick. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the clear packaging. It is so gorgeous. And this color is so pretty. The very last thing I have in my haul for you guys is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I know this also blew up on TikTok, or is still blowing up on TikTok, not sure. I don't really use primers a lot, but I'm really curious to see how this is gonna work out. So that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you want to see more content from me, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.